What's up, you guys? It's Jesse Ali, and today I want to demonstrate a mohawk, a faded mohawk. So I'm gonna start off by setting up my guideline right around the ear. Notice that I do bring it towards the back just a little bit near the hairline, but I don't want to go too deep into it because it starts to look like a low fade. So now that I balled it out, I'm gonna come in and I'm gonna hit it with the shaver. This is all Gamma products right here. You know, honestly, they've been killing the game lately. And I do the same thing on the other side. Just make sure I clean it up real good, and it's real easy to use that trimmer around the ear. Anyways, come back with the Soul Wall Senior, and this one's been my favorite so far. So I'll go ahead and I clean it up about an inch all the way across. Same thing on the other side. And if you're wondering, yes, I did use my first guideline opened, and the number one that I'm using right now is going to be open as well. So now we're grabbing the number 2 guard and we're closing the lever, going around about an inch all the way across. Now with the number 1.5 guard, we're blending in the 1 open to the 2 closed. Now with the half guard, we're gonna use to blend the no guard on the clipper open onto the 1 open. Since I want to make it easier on myself and I don't have to go back and start off fading from the shaver line, I go ahead and I hit it with the trimmer just to make a little gap so it could pick up straight from the master blade. And I'm using the regular blade. The only difference is that I got a 0 gap, so I could get real close into the skin to the point where it doesn't irritate it either, because you don't want to irritate the skin, you know. It looks really bad, and you could also make them bleed. All right, so the fade is almost done. I'm just gonna section this to make it very clean. Come in with the thinning shears, get rid of some bulk. Now that I got rid of the bulk, I come in with the regular shears and I clean it up, because sometimes when you use the thinning shears, it leaves some hairs behind and you gotta make it clean, you know. So there you have it, guys. I hope you enjoy, and watch out for the next one.